Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Zapier. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture to actually have it show your face. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Zapier. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on settings, and then on this page here, you're going to see this part here where it says edit gravatar. Click on edit gravatar, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and edit your gravatar. And so with it, this is the same as your profile picture, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile picture on Zapier. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.